Hello friends, today we will learn about how you can open your WordPress website dashboard after installation. So as you already know, in our previous videos, we have learned how to install WordPress on our hosting with few clicks. So now let me show you quickly. If you want to access your WordPress dashboard, you go to your website and type /wp-admin and then enter. Once you enter, you will be presented with your login window where you put your email and password. Once done, you click on login button. And there we go. You have your dashboard here. So this is how you access your WordPress dashboard after installation.